Nih,
Apa Friday? Tambah kam duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, manga Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Na komen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film, ha ususu tham auditorium, naruga kapra terik, adu laipuwe terik ubenai jemang. Ki por kilong, kanar baje mensngi, ar baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Kermen banyak kendu biang yepi sashi sien.
Ki kubor kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
UMDC ka BGP, Ubernat and Marak, ulah thirting yak Sorkar jala, kamtam yumintirang ba ka jala ukonrat ki sangma, halo ka jingja, kapala jia ki kendet banai bladep. Hari lum Garo, hakapala mi ke jing klumar. Bat ka huri hura, ka basir khay, nakadawa jing persya, yaki brio ki pamday riu lum. Bakin yakun ya ke election MDC, haji HEDC, hadu bandahap ban pensange, syuai ke election MDC. Hakakarwa ukhubuar belapa, lengkat baka durki, Ubernat ulabu jing kali yak Sorkar, bahatu, kadan ka Jingiadei ayu, bat kinongelam jongki Muslim hari lum Garo. Bat ulah kena, paswa ban wan tap kerteng, US matur muminen ulah pla ulah dab yakeren ba mentirang ba kumjuru ya unong elam kaliang persya doktor mukul sangma bakalong ni MU ba untap kerteng ba Ubernat ulah kam ba muminen ulah pla ba kiti arngut kinong elam ki ong khelet kam nilai syusyu Ubernat labu jingkeli taka ba ong ba Usofir Rahman udi ba pensyit ba rensan social media ban penki iben bat onwan ra jinge pher haparengi Garo bat ki bamdei Garo handayuti buriau udai dukhat ba unong elam jong ke NPP. Ubernat lapan pau jing sngau diaw, da ka bakano, bakaan kano siliang palat. Hakabawat iki brio, kiba penpai kat yak stishu jong Jisu ru. Kajing pengat kandon iki casting. Kat bai kino ngelam Garo pat, kiba yakon ya ka hok jong ajat ben riu Garo. Lapan ngat sirenjan ki kandon aj.
Is there nexus between CM and Ismatul Mominin and Sofia Rahman? Is the common question that is going around among the people of Garo Hills. It has been observed that Mominin and Sofia, they have been very active criticizing the people of Garo Hills and challenging the constitutional right of the Garos. And when it was requested that the non-tribals should not contest in the MDC election, they have forcefully, they came to Tura. They tried to file a nomination, and when obstructed by the mob, they were stopped from filing nomination and they went back to Chibanang area, and they have actually instigated the people of that area who started attacking the Garo villages. And they have actually vandalized the statue of Lord Jesus Christ in Chibanang market. In spite of that, minimum cases has been slapped on them and they are out on bail. Now, the civil society groups and the leaders of the NGOs who actually stood for the rights of the people of Garo Hills, the tribal people of Garo Hills. Now they have been slapped with multiple cases, and no bail is being granted to them. So the question is, why there is favoritism in framing charges against the Muslims and the Garos? Why CM is being partial? And Mominin has particularly cited in his pet speech that before coming to Tura, he has talked to CM, he has talked to Deputy CM, and he has talked to the opposition leader also. And they have no objection. They want them to contest. That's what he said. Now, is it because that they have been contacted, like the CM has been contacted before the whole thing started? Is that the reason why charges has been minimized? Is it why they have not been framed equal number of cases as has been charged on the Garo leaders? So this is the question, and we are asking the question now. Is there a nexus? Is there a nexus with the Muslim leaders who started the conflict between the Garos and the Muslims? Or is it just misuse of power against the Garo leaders? So CM should come clean and laws should be equal for all.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka barid ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki wei ni pishat ruti shat kiek bat ki wei na ka benta ka koi ka khya jong ki pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba pinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwei kam de ka ba pinyo ek license pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka pi hap an upload ru yaki kot kisla badan kam kat kum ka judging kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang ha is khasi hers pila ban let bed chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa la chumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga food safety and standards authority of India.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.